time to install our StopTech Sport pads. I've put the other one in the caliper, and what I've also done is replaced our rubber brake hose with the stainless steel one, also from StopTech. This just ensures you get better, firmer brake feel, more consistent brake feel. The rubber can lead to failure sometimes, so it's certainly worth an upgrade on that. The other thing I'll mention, which is what I really like about these sport pads and a lot of the StopTech pads, is that they do come with new hardware. So we got all new rubber boots. We got a new, like a spring clamp that holds the brake pads in place. What we didn't get though is a new caliper. Man, DP, I feel like we should have painted these. This is kind of rusty, considering all the new hardware we're putting on here. I don't know if this is gonna look as nice.
Don't let JP from Stripping Tech see that rusty caliper.
I know,
He'll be angry.
Everything up front here looks so good. And I don't, you know, the other thing I forgot to do. Oh, let's push this.
The piston back in the caliper.
Yeah, I forgot to push the piston back in.
Rookie move,
All right,
buddy.
let's just redo that.